Hey, I'd like to thank you for watching. And if you feel like it, please hit the subscribe, like, and share button. It helps the channel out a lot. Big race today. Barker's Island's annual Fray on the Bay. A big sailboat race in the harbor. As the fleet heads out for a day of sailboat racing, the Stingray tags along. The mission for today is to watch, not race. To have good times with friends, enjoyed in the sunshine. It's days like this you know there's a God. Stealing this image from our local harbor cam. And that's us, the Stingray, going under the aerial lift bridge. Once through the bridge we catch our wind and we watch the boats jockey for position for the race. We're just spectators, so our job is to stay out of their way. My two beautiful daughters, Annabelle and Kingsley, on board to watch Barker's Island's best duke it out for the prize. Turns out filming the race and also staying out of the way of the race was a little harder than I thought. So we were unable to film a lot. So just enjoy these images of a peaceful day of sailing. And I'll try to get better at these videos. I did get a chance to throw the drone up a few times during the day, and that worked out well. Sailing the boat with one hand and flying the drone with the other is a little tricky. Nothing like the sunset on board the Stingray. Unique and beautiful every time. It will take your breath away. And looks like that's a wrap for Season 2. Of the Hansen World Tour. 24 episodes. We look forward to making these videos. It's become a great hobby. These videos are fun to make, and the subject matter is definitely fun to participate in. We look forward to future videos in Season 3